Thank you for the happiest year of my life.
Happy birthday, Ate Mariel! O, alam ko hindi ka nagpapabati pag birthday mo, pero babatiin kita sayot sa gusto mo. Happy birthday! Wish ko sa'yo good health, more happiness, at more candles to blow, long life, at gusto ko rin pasalamat sa sobrang bait mo kasi talaga. Isa ka sa mga tinutulong kong totoong kaibigan ko dito sa Taiwan. Thank you kasi lahat ng mga kalukang ko nasasakyan mo. Mamiss ko yun. Alam mo yun. Hindi, totoo, Ate Mariel. Thank you talaga sa lahat sa pagiging totoong tao. Bilang ka-roommate, parang ate na rin. Salamat talaga sa lahat. At happy ako kung ano man yung tinatako mo ngayong journey. At good luck pa rin sa'yo. Kung ano man yan. And God bless. I love you. Mamiss ka namin. Mamiss kita.
Hello, Mariela! Happy birthday. I'm just the one who called you Mariela, right? Patag-English ako, putik na yan. Kasi papunta kami ng ibang bansa soon. Masaya ako kasi birthday mo. And you know what? For almost 8 years that we are together in a room, we're friends and we're such like a sister, and you're such a responsible woman, very masipag, hardworking, and beautiful, of course, beautiful. I will miss you because you will go to another country, but I hope to see you there in other places because we both dreams to come in Europe soon, and hope you have a good life in other country. You know, just stay who you are and don't forget to contact us if you're in another planet. And I will miss you and thank you for being such a good woman, a good friend to me. I love you and sobrang mamiss kita. Sobra. Kasi 8 years ba naman. I love you so much. Mwah.
Hi, Madam Mariel. It's your day today. I'm beautiful here. I'm making this video. And I want to greet you. Happy birthday to you. And more foreign dear boys to come. And nga pala, someone wants to greet you here.
Yes, Ate Mariel. Oh, I'm so beautiful here. Happy birthday! Mas beautiful ka pa rin kasi birthday mo. God bless and I love you.
Yeah, we'll love you. Remember. Happy birthday again. Bye. Happy birthday, Ate Mariel. More birthdays and blessings to come. Good luck sa new journey mo. Mag-iingat ka dun palagi. Always keep in touch. And I love you. I miss you.
Happy birthday, Tita Mariel.
Hi, Ate Mariel. Happy birthday. Mag-iingat ka sa pupuntahan mo. Mag-miss ka namin. Miss you.
Ate Mariel, happy birthday. Mag-iingat ka sa next journey mo. Mamimiss kita. Love you.
Happy birthday sa napakagandang kumari, Mariel. Wish ko lang sana lagi kang maging masaya at lagi mong alagaan ng iyong sarili. More blessings to come. Basta lagi mong tatandaan na lagi lang ako naandito para sa'yo. Salamat sa friendship, sa advice na binibigay mo sa akin lagi, sa pagkikinig sa mga kalokohan ko. Maraming salamat. Mamimiss kita sobra, basta lagi mong tatandaan na lagi akong naandito para sa'yo. Mamimiss talaga kita, kumari ko. Wala na akong papasaya lagi. Basta alam ko naman na for your own good yan, Mari. Basta tandaan mo lang na lagi ako naandito. Mahal kita. I love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday sa aming dalaga. At ito na nga, nasa tamang edad na at pwede na. Charot lang. Hindi, seryoso. Happy birthday po and God bless. Ingat palagi, ate.
Happy birthday to you.
Birthday, Ate Yel! Stay young and beautiful. Alam mo yan. Mamimiss kita. Kahit nasa malayo ka na. Stay in touch lang, ha? Alam mo naman, one message away lang. Bye! Have a blast! Yee!
Hello, Ate Yel. Happy birthday. Alam kong happy ka at blessed ka ngayong araw na to. At ingat ka sa next journey mo. At lagi lang mag-pray. Love you, ate.
Hi, Ate Yel. Happy birthday. Sana marami pang birthday dumating sa buhay mo at saka marami pa pong blessing na dumating. Thank you po sa pagiging ate. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, ate. Enjoy your day. Good luck po sa bagong journey mo. And mag-iingat ka po doon lagi. Mamimiss ka ni Meme. Palanggatak ka.
Happy birthday, Ate Yel. Enjoy your day. God bless. Tapos, yung new journey mo, good luck na lang, ha? Mawawala na yung aking kasumba-sumba girl dyan. At ka-planking.
Happy birthday, Ate Mariel. We love you. Mamimiss ka namin.
Hello, Baing. Happy birthday. God bless you. Ingat ka palagi dyan, Mama. Chup, chup.
Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Thank you so much sa lahat-lahat.
Ingat kayo lagi dyan.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, ate. Love you.
Happy birthday, mama. I love you. Miss you.
Bye! Happy birthday! We miss you!
Happy birthday, dalaga!
I know I would be nothing without you. So lean on me whenever you have to, my dearest friend. I love you more than I can. I know I would be nothing without you. So lean on me whenever you have to, my dearest friend. I love you more than I can. I know I would be nothing without you. So lean on me whenever you have to, my dearest friend.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Basta ikibis na lang
Like on so skitty, 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 skitty.